How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the Average Garage. Now, in today's episode, I'm super excited. It is going to be short, but it will be awesome. So, PIAK has decided to send me a little gift. So, it's on its way here. I think I can actually hear the car now, so let's go get it. Alright guys, so there you have it. That is the PIAK rotor sidestep, and next episode we'll be fitting them to Pajero Sport. Thank you very much for PIAK for completing my set by hooking us up with those rock sliders. So I've already got the PIAK loopless winch bar as well as the full-size tow bar, and I couldn't be happier. Can't wait to fit them. Now, the reason I chose PIAK in the first place was they are a robust design. I love the aesthetics of them, and they're winch capable. They give you a heap more approach angle and departure angle, so that's a win-win in my books, and they are aesthetically pleasing, whereas a lot of bars just aren't for me. Anyways, that's my personal opinion, so take that as you will. So thanks again, PIAK. Also, don't forget to jump on the link below. Check out my Patreon. There's early access to videos and stuff if you choose to donate. You don't have to. I won't hold it against you. Also, don't forget to like and follow my Instagram and my Facebook page. It'll be much appreciated. Now, as for the ELs resto, you'll see that in future episodes. I've just put a poll up on YouTube as to when the episodes should be released, so make sure you answer that, whether it's going to be Thursdays or Saturdays from now on. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all the usual jazz. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you in the next episode, and we'll get back to the EL restoration. Peace, guys.